Hey guys, welcome back to Crown Geek. This is Shabazz. So in this video, I'm going to share the top 5 ways to fix Windows script host error. So if you have trouble on your Windows 11 or Windows 10, then you can easily fix your problem by following these 5 methods. And you might be getting error like the system cannot find specified from the startup.vbs script, or it can be because of multiple reasons like due to corrupted system file, malware, registry errors, or VBS script file issues. So we're gonna talk that how to fix it. So we won't take enough time. I won't waste your time. So let me go through with the troubleshooting method that you need to perform. And the number one will be with the basic one, that is running the full scan of your PC. So guys, make sure that this all procedure will take some time because we have to completely remove the infected and the viruses or malware from your computer. Okay, so to run a full scan on your Windows computer, come to this search icon. On Windows 11 or on Windows 10, you can also search and type security and then choose Windows security. Now here you will find virus and threat protection. If it's been disabled, then you need to turn it on, and once on, you just need to wait. And now click on it, and now it says quick scan, but you do not need to go with a quick scan. Just click on scan options, and here you will find full scan. So click on full scan, then click on scan now, and now it's gonna take too much time because it will be completely scanning all your computer files, all your computer application programs and features. So you need to keep patience. Okay, you can watch the entire video, just make a note somewhere that how to perform all the troubleshooting methods. So once click on scan now, and once it's been completed, you can move to the next step, that is we need to check the default value of VBS. So how you can do that? You need to do it through the registry. So simply press Windows and R key on your computer and type regedit, regedit, and then click on OK. Give the permission by clicking on yes. And now here we need to go, let me explain you from the top. So you have to go with H classes root, H key classes root, and then you need to look for .vbs. So you need to scroll to the bottom, and in the bottom you will find .vbs, and just once you are here, just make a double click on it. And now here on the right hand side you will see default, just make a double click on it, and in the value data section you just need to type VBS and then file. You can type exactly as I just type here. You can type it the same way and then click on OK. So once done, you are all set from this part. You can minimize it. And now we will switch to the third method where we need to run the SFC and DISM scan so that we can recover and restore the health of the computer. So there will be few commands that I will be sharing in the description box. So how you need to do that? Come on the search icon and search for CMD, choose run as administrator, and then you need to give the permission. Click on yes. And now here you need to type you need to paste the command that I'll be sharing in the description. So this is the first command to scan the health, and then hit on enter. And once it's been done, it might take some time. It says deployment, image servicing and management tool. Okay, so it will take some time. You need to wait, and once done, you need to go with another command which you have to paste here, that again you will find in the description. And then again you need to wait. Once it's been completed, then you can run SFC scan now. Okay, all the command link will be in the description, but make sure that you wait until it's been completely done. Okay, and once you are also set with this part, then you have to also run the Microsoft Safety Scanner. So the link will be again in the description. You can open the website. This is the website, and here you will find the scanner for both 32-bit and 64-bit. So you can choose your version and click on it, and it will take some time to download it. And once downloaded, you need to run a full scan again for this as well. Okay, so now you're all set with all the part, and once done you can restart your PC, and I'm very sure that you won't be having this trouble again, and your Windows script host error will be completely fixed. I'm very sure it will be working for you, and if you make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.